Good morning, mi gente. This is Cybelle Torres from Cy Photography, and I almost forgot to pick out my mommy, my single mommy, for the month of January. So, without further ado, do you want to know who is taking a full family package with all the digital images, which is a big no-no in photography? You don't give away digital images. But this mommy, because we are honoring her and we are giving her her family package as a gift. And if you don't know why, then go back and watch my other video where I fully explain why we are doing this. It's important. It's important to give back. Someone blessed me, and I am where I am because someone took the opportunity to bless me, and I want to pay it forward. And it is not from me, it is a gift from God that I am just giving to the next mommy. So stay tuned. Let's watch. Okay, so I found this really cool program where I'm just gonna plug everybody's names in. I'm gonna spin the wheel, and that is how we're gonna select our winner, just to make sure that, because of course I'm going through the list and I already know who I want to win, because there's been some really cool stories that have been shared with me, and I'm like, oh, well, I hope you win. And then I meet the next person, I'm like, oh, I hope you win. So we have to keep this totally fair and just rely on the spinning wheel. So let's see who is taking the win home. Congratulations. All right, so all we have to do is just schedule a session. I am gonna try to find you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and please share. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist. Some good content in there.